Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. Today, we are gonna make upgrades and CPS. Now, if you haven't watched the first video, go ahead and watch it. It should be in the playlist that I've made earlier. So anyways, unlike other YouTubers, I get straight to the point. So, let's get started. First off, we're right underneath add clicks. Wait, first off, we're gonna introduce CPS. Now for this, we're gonna make this like this. And then CPS equals 0.0. It can now hold decimals freely. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can just put 0. But this is my version. Now, we've introduced CPS. But we need another thing. It's either called countdown or timer. Like that. Huh. Just like last time, I'm gonna go into my previous file. Oh, we don't import at all. So we can remove that line. And then we would need like a timer. Of course. We're gonna set it to, let's see how long a day is. Okay. Now we have a timer. Next up, we need a countdown timer. Like counter. We'll name it time writer. Okay. So now we have that. And now we need a counter function like this. So I'm gonna quickly take this and paste it here. I'll give y'all can pause the video to see this, but yeah. Now we need a timer up underscore up, and it should equal false. Okay, now, as you can see, counter.write timer, you need to change this to time writer. Font, we never declared a font setup. Let me go see that. This is gonna include a lot of me going around to this one and then back and then, yeah. So you can skip to the end if you just want. You can skip to the end of, like, me just switching after this. But CPS is complicated. Counter interval. Huh. Okay. Anyways, I'll just. Oh, wait, there's no need for it. Okay, so what we need is font setup 2, I think? Is that what they wanted? Nope, they wanted font setup, I think. Okay, now it's been declared. Now we need to change this to, not score writer, time writer, not count. Okay, score writer, his name's Clicky. No, wait, click writer. We need to change this to click writer. And then score should be changed to clicks. I never declared a round. I never declared a round. Oh, wait. Round is already a function. And then I need to change this to clicks. There. And here we have counter interval. I knew we needed that. Please do not copy this code. This one is my own project. I've been working on it for way too long. Okay, there we go. Now everything here is declared. Now, we need the ending part. Look here. wn.onTimer countdown counter interval. So look, wn dot on timer counter interval. And now let's run it. Oh, I already had it running from a previous thumbnail. There we go. We now have a timer. Well, how do we know our CPS is working? Good question. Let's set it so that CPS is 0.1. Now, if we run it, Now if we run it, look. See, it's not running for some reason. Score is not defined in line 39. You need to always pay attention for mistakes, or else you're gonna be going through what I'm going through. Now clicks equals cookies, blah 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 blah. And now it should work. Okay, so clearly cookies equals font setup. But then over here it's 60. Let me just quickly change that. There. That's the same. Of course, click too fast. Okay, let me quickly change it from cookies. Cause that's for my project cookie clicker. Okay, now it should run. And now we don't need this anymore. If that's the case. There, it works. Okay, now we have CPS done. Next up, let's change this back to 0.0. And now, as you can see, click power is always set to 1. So then, now, we need to define upgrade underscore CP. And then we want some parameters. And those parameters, number 1, is going to be cost and add CP. So this is how much it's going to cost, and this is how much it's going to add. Now inside of it, we need an if statement. And now let's see. If clicks is greater than or equal to cost, then we want to set clicks clicks, that's caps lock, clicks will minus equal cost, and then first off, let's get it globals, global clicks, and click power. Now clicks clicks. Not sure why this is a float. Oh, right. I thought that meant something else. And then you want click power plus equal add CP. And then, of course, score writer. Now, every time this is run, let's say the cost is like 30 and add CP is 1. If the player has 30 clicks, their click power gets increased by 1. And now we need to copy this and write S at the end of upgrade CP, add CPS, and then change this to CPS. Then we need this to also be CPS, add CPS, blah blah blah, and score writer. For those of you who don't know, I'm wearing headphones and these hurt. So now we have click CP and click CPS. Next up, we need upgrades. So let's have a CPSU equal cuttle dot hurdle then we're gonna want shape equal circle. And now let's have 2 of these. And then over here, CP. Oh, CP upgrade. And then over here, let's have 2. And also over here, let's have 2. Now we have their shapes. Okay. Now over here, we need to move them. Okay. So what we want is CPSU dot go to dot PU, short for pen up. Uh, okay. I just have to believe it. And then CPSU dot go to um we can set it to negative 200, 200, and then we want to copy this over 4 times. Now, what we want to do is change the values by 50 each time. Negative 200, 50, 0, negative 50. And now we need to change this to 2, this to CPU, this to CPU 2. Dude, these headphones hurt my ears. And next up, after they go to, we want C CPS U dot right, and then right for, let's do 50. And then we need to copy this over 4 times. Next, what you want to do is you want to change this. Increase CPS by 0.1 for 250. It's expensive, I know, but it's worth it, trust. Now, this, increase CPS by 1 for literally 10 times the price, except you remove a 50. So that's 2450. And then this will be 50, and this will be 450. We're gonna set it to CP, but you can set it to click power, and then and now over here we want CPS U dot on click we want upgrade CPS. Then set it to its values. Cost is 250. And 0.1. Now CPS U2 dot on click upgrade CPS again, and but this time We change it. Instead of 250 to 450. And then 1. And now we need a CPU dot on click upgrade CP 50 and 1 CPS. No, wait. CPU2 dot on click upgrade CP 450 and 10. There we go. And now let's try this out because it's been like 25 minutes. What's got the increased CP? Weird. Can't click it. Huh. Weird. Is it because of the timer? Well, I need to fix that. I mean, I got the on click function. Wait. Hold on. Why is it not running? What the? Hold up. Hold up a second. Weird. It's not working. Well, anyways, my head hurts from this, so I'll see you in part 3. Adios.